In today's video, I am going to show you a niche that can help you go viral on Instagram or YouTube. And the best part is that it is not competitive yet, so it's better to act fast before it gets more saturated. Do this as soon as you can. At the end of this video, I will share a secret that the big YouTubers are hiding from you. So, without any further delay, let's get started. The niche I'm about to show you is the dark manipulation or dark psychology niche. Let me show you an example channel. This channel has 117 videos, and this channel has only 51 short videos, but it has around 300,000 plus subscribers, and it's also monetized, as you can see. Now you can understand how profitable this niche is. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to creating videos like this using AI first. We need a name for our channel, so we will use ChatGPT for that. Let's ask, give me fresh name ideas for the Dark Psychology YouTube channel. All the prompts that I am using are mentioned in the description below. As you can see here, we have some amazing name ideas. I like this one, which is Shadow Crafted Minds. I'm going to select it. Now, we need a logo and a banner for our channel. For logo generation, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. It's a free art generating AI tool similar to Midjourney, and it's very easy to use. I have already made a detailed video on Leonardo AI, which you can refer to in the description or the I button. So for now, let's stick to our video. As you can see here, there are a lot of images. Let's select this one and click Generate using this model. Now all you have to do is select a suitable size from the side menu, select the number of generations, and then simply type this prompt. Then hit the Generate button. Just like this, you can create a logo for your channel. By changing different types of characteristics and prompts, you can get different types of logos. So if you are not satisfied with the results you got, you can regenerate it using different prompts. Make sure to select an interesting image. Now we need a banner, and for that, we will be using Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free. Go to Create Design and select YouTube Banner. In the side menu, you can see that there are a lot of templates. Choose the one that you like. I will select this one. We don't need these elements, so let's delete those and let's change the title as well to Dark Psychology. I think this would be enough. Let's download it. The next step is to create a script. Follow these steps. First, we need to find articles about dark psychology using Google. Once you find that, copy the part you want from that article like this. And let's ask ChatGPT to change it a little bit so that we don't get any copyright. Simply ask to rewrite this paragraph and copy the paragraph you selected. ChatGPT will rewrite it within a few seconds. Now we can use this without any issues. The next step is to make voiceovers. As usual, we are going to use 11 Labs for that. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. After that, you can select a suitable AI voice. From here, I would recommend using a deeper voice like mine. When you are done with selecting the voice, copy the script we generated using ChatGPT and click Generate. It will generate your voiceover within a few seconds. Now we are done with the voiceovers as well. We need to find suitable images for our video. Again, I will use Leonardo AI for that, just like we did before. Select a suitable model and use the same prompt. Make sure these images are in line with the script. We are talking about dark psychology, therefore we need images that can represent dark manipulation and dark things. After you generate those, download the images that you like the most. Now we have all the things we need to create our video. I am going to use Canva to edit this video. First, we will click on Create a Design in Canva and then search for Reels because we need our video in vertical format. After that, a blank canvas will open in front of you, and on the sidebar, you will see an Upload option. Click on it to upload all the photos and audio that we generated using 11 Labs and Leonardo AI. After uploading, adjust the photos scene by scene according to your script, and also upload the audio. Now, we need to add transitions to make the video more attractive. Click here, and you will see the option for transitions. Choose the one you like. I find this one appealing, so I've applied it. The next important step is to add captions to our video. For this, we'll go to ChatGPT, copy the text one by one, and paste it into each slide in Canva. Set the fonts and alignment accordingly. If you wish, you can animate the text to make it more appealing, which can result in more views. After completing all these steps, download the video. It will look like this. Delving into the realm of manipulative persuasion unveils a shadowy landscape where cunning influencers employ deceptive techniques to mold thoughts, emotions, and behaviors for personal gain. often shrouded in the unsuspecting individual's obliviousness. In the labyrinth of psychological intricacies, Harvard researcher and psychologist Ryan Mace elucidates the manipulator's arsenal, citing the orchestration of emotional appeals. Make sure to upload at least 3 videos, or utmost 2 per day. Let me tell you the secret that I used to get more views and impressions on YouTube. It's not a magical tool, it's the keywords. Do this simple thing and see how your results are going to increase. Find your competitors that have views more than you and use their keywords on your videos as well. So make sure to follow this important step. I will see you in the next video.